Hi. In ACE training session, we have discussed about anatomy, applied kinesiology, and sports nutrition, and also about stretching, various type of stretching. In anatomy, we discussed about the bones, number of bones in the body, composition of bones, types of bones, shape of the bones, and also the influencing factors on the bones. We also discussed about the articulation of the joints and type of joints, and we also discussed about the axis and plane and movements based upon the axis and plane. And we went through about the muscle composition, actin and myosin role, and muscle contraction and relaxation, and various muscle functions. And we also discussed about the neurotransmitters, the role of calcium in muscle contraction and relaxation, and also the role of troponin and tropomyosin in muscle contraction and relaxation. We also discussed about the various muscle fibers types, agonist, antagonist, synergist, and fixator muscles and their role. And we also discussed about the types of contraction, and also we went through about the various body parts such as the heart, lungs, respiratory system, and also about the digestive system and various diseases related to the heart, lungs, etc. And we also learnt about the 7 primal pattern workouts, and we also came to know about the Lomborg's paradox, which is for paradoxical muscular contraction and hip movement, and about the Trendelenburg test we discussed, which is used to determine the competency of valves in superficial and deep veins of the legs, especially in the varicose patients. We also discussed on the anatomy trained by Thomas Mayers, and also about the fascia and its origin. In applied kinesiology, we discussed about the force, motion, torque, and momentum, 3 types of levers, Newton's laws, and about the line of gravity and postures. We also discussed now the Arnold's pre-exhaust technique and benefits of weight training and various factors involved in performing an exercise, and factors affecting muscle mass and hypertrophy. And we also discussed on the program designing, guidelines, and order of exercise. And we also discussed about the types of stretching, 5 types of stretching. In nutrition session, we discussed about the role of carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals, and also its classification based upon the units. And we also discussed about the role of water in body, and also the hydration techniques, and about the disorders due to overconsumption of water. And we also discussed on the food pyramid, resting metabolic rate, sports nutrition, and glycemic index. We also went through about the Thomas test, which is used for manual muscle testing of hip flexion and contraction. And we also discussed about the lunge test, and we also discussed on Vladimir Janda's upper cross syndrome and lower cross syndrome, and 3 rhythms such as the scapulohumeral rhythm, lumbopelvic rhythm, and talocrural rhythm. Thank you.